Good morning, it's Monday at about 7. Going out to meet my friend for breakfast.
Otherwise I'll forget.
Taking the lift to the station, but it's super sunny today. At the train station now. Pretty quick trip, $13.
Now entering stadium. Doors to my left.
I made it to the airport and through security in less than an hour. We're at like an hour right now. I'm on the shuttle train between the main terminal and the south terminal right now, or whatever the S gates are. My flight got changed to the S gates. It was originally, I think, at the B. I'm in this car all alone, so that's why I felt okay talking. But yeah, it took less than an hour. Security was super fast. I have TSA pre-check, but honestly, it didn't matter. My friends were all making me scared for no reason. By scared, I mean there was no wait. Everybody said that the wait time is like an hour and a half or so at SeaTac. It definitely wasn't for me. It was about 5 minutes.
Next stop, S gates. Remain on board for B and A gates.
Trying to see if I can get into the club. So that's like the airline lounge with my priority pass. Got some coffee and some peas. Gonna probably get some soup later. So luckily I was able to get in with my priority pass. It was really relaxing and they're able to charge my phone, use the bathroom, and get some snacks.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're number 2 for takeoff. Flight attendants, please take your seats for departure. As a reminder, never take a car from an unmarked person because they are likely not licensed or insured. I came in here to just close out my vlog. Sorry, we're in the bathroom. But yes, I made it home. It's 12:30 a.m. I would say that this is one tip if you are traveling to New York. If you fly into JFK and you're going anywhere in Manhattan, I would totally recommend just walking a little bit to go to the taxi line. There is a flat fare So anywhere in Manhattan, there is a flat fare for the yellow taxis, so just follow the signs. Make sure you don't get into an unmarked car. Don't talk to anybody who comes up and like offers you a ride or anything like that, because they are likely not licensed and not insured for passengers. And then just as an FYI, so I looked it up because I was like, well, maybe it's like going to be cheap. It's not. So Uber was going to be $170 and my Lyft option was going to be $88. I would have had to walk less, but I would have been spending like double almost. So after all of the taxes and tolls and tip, etc., it came out to roughly $70 to come back to Manhattan from JFK, which is a pretty good price. I saved about 20 bucks, especially since that Lyft price did not include tips, taxes, and any like special tolls, or if there's traffic or anything, the surcharges. So I definitely got a better deal. So I am home now. I have to clean up my face, get ready to go to bed. I'm probably going to shower as well because airplane travel is gross. So I will be starting a new work week in my life tomorrow, so I'll see you then. Thank you again for watching. Hopefully this Alaskan vlog series was somewhat interesting to you. Hopefully I presented some information that is helpful, because when I was looking for my own research on YouTube and the internet, I didn't find a lot of the information that I personally wanted to know. So I tried to put those sort of tidbits into my video, especially since like if I go forward, I now know that information and it's going to be good to look back. So yeah, thank you again for watching, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. See you then. Bye.